Hey traders, John Hal here. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm going to teach you one powerful bullish trading pattern that is truly powerful. And my goal for this video is just to help you identify an amazing pattern that's in the market, and you can do with it whatever you want to do. So, guys, don't place a trade based on this video. I'm going to show you an incredible pattern right now, but don't place a trade based on this here, right? Obviously, you need to practice it. You need to have a trading plan, and you need to make sure that you are doing the right thing for yourself, okay? So don't just go out and start trading this pattern that I tell you right now. Just simply observe, educate yourself, and you do whatever you want to do, okay? So, all right, guys, before I do start, I am running a marketing test. I'm literally giving away all my education and 4 weeks worth of free coaching for free. And if you like it, you can stay a member to my coaching. If you don't like it, you don't have to pay a dime. That's simple as that. So I'm running that marketing test over the next few days. First link in the description, go check out there. You got to qualify first. So if you qualify, then you get access to it. If you don't, then I apologize, but you need to qualify for it. So with that being said, guys, let's get on with the video. Now, this pattern that I've recognized, it's a pattern that you probably know and you probably heard of in the past. Now, this pattern here is what we call an ascending triangle, but with a twist. All right, for you guys to say, yeah, John, I know the ascending triangle, but here is the twist, and here is something that I've noticed the differences between a powerful ascending triangle pattern or a powerful ascending triangle pattern and a, let me see if I can get the right tool here, a powerful one and a non-powerful one. All right, so generally an ascending triangle pattern is exactly what you probably can see on this chart right now. All right, the market runs up, probably hits the resistance a few times, but then you also see it's coming up into a triangle pattern through there. All right, and generally what happens is you start to see the market doing this here, and then it gets to a triangle pattern, and then generally breaks out to the upside, and then generally just takes off. Makes sense? So that's the general speaking. Now, what makes this pattern? This pattern is obviously a lot of people know. If you don't know it, say hello to an ascending triangle pattern. Hello. So we can see this amazing triangle pattern through here, right? So what you want to look for is, this is an ascending triangle pattern here. But the key with the ascending triangle pattern is this. Firstly, we need to identify it. And if we can see that there's been a big ascending triangle pattern that's been forming over a number of months, as you can see, this one here started down the bottom here, but over a number of months, you can see this one started down here, and we overall started squeezing up this triangle pattern through here. If we can start to see that this triangle pattern is developing over a number of months, like not just a few weeks, but over a lot of months, then that's a very, very, very good pattern to trade. All right, so not just, you can get like if the triangle pattern's over like 1 or 2 months, that's okay. But look at this here, it's developing over many months. That's the first thing here, right? The first thing about trading this pattern is about having it develop over the last few months. Now, the most important part to this triangle pattern is this: before you get the breakout, all right? So let me do this here. If we have the ascending triangle pattern here and the market's running up here, here is the differences between a powerful breakout and just an okay breakout. This is one powerful bullish pattern that I like to trade myself. When the market runs up, comes back down, comes back up, and what it does, it comes back down and creates a little higher trough and then breaks out. If it breaks out and we get like a little, you see how we're having this trough here or this low here, and then suddenly it just runs down a little bit, creates this little higher low, and then breaks out. That there is the powerful breakout. And more times than not, when that happens, the buyers are showing, hey, we're getting ready to think, we're getting ready not only to push this past resistance, but we're getting ready to take off. It's more like a blast off type of setup, right? Just blast off. Now, what do we actually have here on this big triangle pattern? We actually can see what? We actually can see we have resistance here, resistance here, resistance. We also have the support down the bottom here. But look at this here, low. So a lot of high lows there. We've got this high low here, but look at this here. See how the market came down, had this little pullback here before the breakout? That's the key there, right? That's the key. This is the key here to having that setup. And as look at this here, and then bam, away it goes. So you can see if that actually, this here was, let me go back one bar. All right, one bar, there we go. So that was the setup there. And then, as you can see, it was at 106, and the very next bar, which is the day chart here, very next bar is at 106, and then the very next bar went up to 118. Now, not every single setup is going to work like this, but this is a recent example, so I thought I'd share this with you to show you how powerful that is. Once again, guys, when you see this ascending triangle pattern here, two main things here. One, it is developed over the last few months, and secondly, when you're getting this sort of squeezing up into this resistance level, it's important to get this small little higher trough here. When we get this small little higher trough here, guys, before the breakout, as you can see that nice big breakout bar there, when that happens, guys, it is very, very powerful, because look at the very next day, bam, just super high, 10% up. We're talking probably 150 to 200% return if you did buy options on there. So, and then you can see it just actually ran down from there, and this is where it's at right now. So again, guys, what we're talking about here is not having something where we're going to hold on for many, many months, right? We're income trades, we're in and out really, really quickly, but you can see there, in and out. Look at this here, just big move. So here is one powerful bullish trading pattern that I love to trade, guys. Go out there, check it out. When you see the ascending triangle pattern, look for it over many months, and also look for the small little higher trough before the breakout. And I guarantee you guys, you're going to be pleasantly surprised. What I want you to do right now, guys, is like the video, subscribe, leave a comment, go back test this, and let me know what you think about it as well too, guys. And remember, click on that link first thing in the description. I'm giving all my stuff away for free. If you like it, then you can stay a member of my coaching program, and if you don't, then you don't pay a dime. So there we go, guys. See you in the next video.